This is a breast and ovarian cancer screening, cancer detection camp, a screening camp. More than screening, we are teaching patients how to do self-breast examination and teaching them about the early warning signs of cancers, mostly breast and ovarian cancers and even other cancers. And almost 150 to 200 patients have registered for this camp over a period of 2 days. And patients are being given free mammographies and free ultrasounds whenever needed. This camp is not mostly to detect breast and ovarian cancers, but to create an awareness among women that they should come forward and not keep quiet about any symptoms regarding the breast and loss of weight, a lump in the breast, or generalized debility or any fullness of the abdomen, and get themselves checked up. If cancers are detected in the first and second stage, the survival rate is almost 90%, and in the fourth stage, the survival rate goes down to about 10% in breast cancers.